Hello everyone, it's Terry here. I'm so excited to be back on the channel today. Today I am sharing this fun interactive card that I created using the Playful Panda stamp set. Let's get started. Okay, so here's a close-up look of the stamp set that I will be using. This one is called Playful Panda. To start off my card, I am using white cardstock and I place that into my MISTI. I am stamping one of the panda images with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I am using this ink because it's Copic marker friendly. So for the Copic coloring, I kept it pretty simple, using only a few shades and grays and greens just to color in the bamboo and the panda, and also added rosy cheeks onto the panda. Okay, so let's talk about the background. There's a small leaf stamp in a stamp set that I'm using to create my own background. So here I'm just stamping it in Memento Black ink as well, and I'm stamping it all over the cardstock. Then using the same combinations as I used for the bamboo stick, I went ahead and colored in all of the leaves. Okay, so here's the fun part. The interactive part of this card requires an action wobbler. If you're not familiar with an action wobbler, it's a little spring with adhesive on both ends, and you attach it onto the card front and to the stamp image that you want to create movement. Here you can see that I applied it on the back of my image that I fussy cut off screen and attached it onto my background panel. Okay, so for the sentiment, I stamped off screen with clear embossing powder and I applied white embossing powder over it. I then went in with my heat gun and heat set the sentiment. Using liquid adhesive, I adhered that onto a top folding card base in the color white. Now going in with some gold baubles, I added that throughout the card. Okay, and there you have it. The card is now complete. I hope you enjoy this fun interactive card and give the action wobbler a try. Please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.